Hoo-wee. Still waiting for the plow guy. We'll probably wait until he comes before we dig again. Back path, or back walk to the back door. Over here we gotta get some, do a little more on Chloe's pooping paths. We did a pretty good job last night. We dug this out. This, during the last snowstorm, was Chloe's favorite place to defecate. But last night was not the charm. Or this morning, I guess, I don't know. And so, we do this little loop-de-loop so that Chloe can leave her business behind her and move on. So, we came down here. We did some work behind the wood shed, of course. Come back down, and we carved out some spots here, but these weren't private enough or something. And over here there was one. This one, there's no real way to just walk away, so it has to be widened today. Then we come around this path. We didn't reopen. I don't think we will. It's going to be warm this week. And then we're back here.